Imagine the joy of stitching up a fashionable garment that fits you perfectly, all from a pattern you've created yourself. Welcome to our channel Pattern and Sew, the world of pattern making and sewing, where creativity meets precision. Today, we're lifting the veil on this fascinating process, guiding you through each step to create your own sewing patterns. The first step is getting to grips with the basics. This involves familiarizing yourself with important pattern-making terminology such as sloper, grain line, seam allowance, and dart manipulation. Understanding these terms is crucial to creating precise and professional patterns. Next, it's all about measurements. Accurate body measurements are the foundation of a well-fitted garment. Bust, waist, hip, and other important measurements need to be taken with care using a flexible measuring tape. Please make sure to view our video on mastering self-measurements for perfectly fitted garments. This is linked in the descriptions below. It's always a good idea to have a friend assist you for the best accuracy. Please watch our video on the ultimate guide to accurate body measurements for sewing garments. This is also linked in the descriptions below. With measurements in hand, you're ready to draft the basic bodice sloper. This template forms the starting point for all your designs. Drawing lines, marking key points, and adding ease to your sloper are all part of this process, ensuring you have a comfortable and well-fitted garment. Our video on mastering the art of drafting a basic bodice sloper, the foundation for custom-fit garment, is a good starting point for any first-time sewists. This too is linked in the descriptions. Creativity comes to the fore when you start adding style lines and creating variations on your basic bodice sloper. Dart manipulation, princess seams, gathers, pleats, the possibilities are endless. This is your opportunity to create unique designs that truly reflect your personal style. Once your pattern is ready, it's time to transfer it onto fabric. Pinning, cutting, and handling different types of fabric all require careful attention. Remember to label your pattern pieces, mark notches, and indicate grain lines before cutting. These small details can make a big difference to the final outcome. Before you get too carried away, it's a good idea to sew a test garment or muslin. This step allows you to check the fit, make any necessary adjustments, and refine your pattern for the perfect fit. Finally, we delve into the world of pattern alterations. If you need to adjust for a full bust, narrow shoulders, or a sway back, we'll guide you through the process. You'll learn about slash and spread techniques, pivot points, and blending lines for seamless alterations. So there you have it. You're now equipped with the skills to create your own sewing patterns. With Pattern and Sew, we will master the essential steps to create a solid custom-fit garment. Remember, pattern making is a journey. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and enjoy the creative process. At Pattern and Sew, we have an array of tutorial videos waiting for you, where we explore various pattern-making techniques, demonstrate cutting and sewing methods, and even analyze trending styles. So if you're excited about expanding your sewing skills, be sure to keep watching our tutorial videos. We have much more to share with you. By subscribing to our channel Pattern and Sew, you'll become a valued member of our Sew It tribe. And as a part of our tribe, you'll gain access to special privileges, like early access to new videos, bonus content, and exclusive discounts on sewing supplies. Remember, practice makes perfect, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, join our Sew It tribe and elevate your sewing game to new heights. Thank you again for being a part of our sewing community at Pattern and Sew. We'll see you in the next video. Happy sewing!